Tell me something, when I hold this up, does this look like the front of a car to you? Doesn't to me, yet Zebronics calls this the Zeb-Space Car because some part of this is supposed to look like a car. To me, this looks like many things but not a car, but it is an interesting product because, you know, it's got all that, the kind of stuff you want in a product like this, including LED lights, a deep bass and everything else. So like I said, this is called the Space Car, the Zeb-Space Car by Zebronics. Let's take a look at what all this can do.
When we first locked eyes with the eyes of this uniquely designed product, we were confused. What exactly could this be? It looks like the front grille of a car from an angle with two headlamps peeking through. Or is it a boombox? This futuristic design comes from the homegrown brand of Zebronics and happens to be a 2-in-1 boombox speaker called the Zeb-Space Car. It comes with an inbuilt subwoofer and needs power at all times, which is a bit of a bummer. And it is priced at ₹5,999. So let's dive into our review. We're all for quirky futuristic designs, and the Zeb-Space Car does in fact look like the front of a car, only from a little angle of course. The body is plastic and there is a readable LED display at the front. The speakers are front-facing and there are controls for volume and bass, while the power button is at the back. There is also an aux input and a USB port for connecting a pen drive or any other storage device. You can also use the FM tuner. A feature which surprised us was the presence of a remote control, which is rare to come by these days, especially at this price point. So if you're sitting at a distance, simply manage all controls through the remote. If you're a couch potato, this is for you. So what about the sound? Well, we tried the Bluetooth connectivity and it paired easily. The output was crisp and clear and we enjoyed the sound. Our expectations weren't very high at this price point, but we were not disappointed. The bass was loud and punchy in both Bluetooth and FM mode. Our only complaint, the distortion at high volume, which is often a staple of speakers under 10K. So go for the Zeb-Space Car if you're looking for a pocket-friendly budget speaker with decent performance. But you may be disappointed if you crank up the volume really high. All in all, we enjoyed this futuristic boombox and it did take us down memory lane of the nostalgic 90s when a boombox was a style statement. For all you know, it may be making a comeback.